YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We back up in this thing with another video, man. Yo, if you're new to the channel, we almost at 800 subscribers. Shout out to everybody that's supporting the channel, following the channel, man. We one subscriber away. Let's be that 800 subscriber to join the Flu Gang crew. You know what I'm saying? It's Flu Gang TV. You already know how we rocking, man. We back up in this thing with something quick, something, you know what I'm saying, something slight, man. The weather is like crazy out here in the Midwest. You know what I'm saying? Snow all over the place. It's time to, you know, stock up on them Timbs, retire the sneakers, you know what I'm saying, Yeezy boots, whatever you like, you know what I'm saying, and be ready for, you know, what will be a crazy winter, unless you live in LA or something like that. Shout out to y'all. We got a first look for y'all today, man. You know, a couple of weeks back, I had the opportunity to go ahead and check out, you know what I'm saying, the upcoming Nike Off-White, you know what I'm saying, dunks. You know what I'm saying? That, you know, the schedule will be released later on this year. I believe next month, actually, December, man. We got a first look at the red pair. You know, I actually kind of rolled, you know, somebody actually, you know, kind of brought like a fake pair of this same colorway in, man. Crazy, man. They already got the fakes out here looking wild, mad, like close and accurate, man. But shout out to Round 2 Chicago. We got a real pair to show off to y'all today, man. We're gonna go ahead and get into it, give y'all these first looks. Gang. You know, one of the first details that I kind of noticed, man, just kind of looking at these things, man. Oh, the leather quality on these things, especially for it to be like a straight leather, is pretty nice, man. You kind of see the lettering, you know, the traditional off-white lettering in the inside of that thing. You know what I'm saying? One of the highlights of this brand new colorway, of course, is the lacing system that they got going on with, you know, the funky laces going, you know, kind of like in a Flyknit-esque, you know, way going through the upper, you know, around the regular traditional, you know, Nike off-white laces, man. This is the red and gray colorway. You know, the actual, you could probably see and tell, you know, from the video, you know, you got that infrared is, you know, a lot of people thought that these laces, particular lace is gonna be orange. It's actually more of an infrared color, you know, going through that. You got them joints dipped at the tip, you know what I'm saying? Then you got your traditional flat laces going on, that gray, you know what I'm saying, with the shoelaces going on around that thing, man. Nice puffy pattern in the shoe. And then also on the tongue, man. So I know on like the fake pair, I definitely saw like, you know, it was like real thin. You know, the tongue was like real thin and whack and crazy. Yeah, on this pair, it's definitely, as you can see, a little thicker, you know what I'm saying, than, you know, as you would come to expect from a Virgil all-white shoe. And you also got the, you know, just the traditional, they kept this shoe really simple. You know, not a lot of crazy details. You just got the really traditional, you know, just kind of dunk-esque feel to it with that nice off-white detail, which would be the laces going around, man. But you kind of get the first looks at the shoe, man. Y'all let me know in the comment box, man, how y'all feel about this off-white dunk. Are y'all looking forward to them? You trying to cop these or not? You know what I'm saying? If I can get my hands on them, these are definitely dope. But man, I don't know, man. At this point, man, I got, you know, Off-White is kind of playing my mans out, man. You know what I'm saying? I know I can't be the only one that feel like that, man. You know what I'm saying? It's, you know, at some point, you know, we gotta slow it down a little bit, Virgil. You know what I'm saying? You know, do something different, man. Let's get some Off-White clothing for men. You know what I'm saying? Out here, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know if y'all rocking with these or not. We definitely got the Off-White Vapor Flies. Zoom Vapor is coming out later on this week. You know, women's, I'm not even gonna try to go for those. They cool though, you know what I'm saying? But you know, those are definitely coming to fix, you know, to get you that Off-White fix if you've been looking at them. You know what I'm saying? Of course, as always, man, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, man. As we proceed to give you what you need. To the next one, it's Flu Gang TV.
The Chicago!